bitch, you're the worst. What the hell was we thinking? Compromise for no reason. Cause we ain't got in common. But why I gotta fight for nothing? What the hell was we thinking? Dirty tears and I'm sinking. Cause we ain't got in common. No, we ain't got in common. No conversation.
Alright, you guys, so I came back with better lighting. Yeah, girl, you feel me? So I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm hot. Like when it's too much going on, I just get too hot, okay? But what I'm about to do is add some pressed powder to my whatchamacallit. Y'all saw me customizing the wig. This unit, you guys, I had to do a lot of plucking. Let me show you guys just how much plucking I had to do. Like a lot of plucking. All of this came out the front. It needs more plucking, y'all. And don't be watching this video thinking that I'm like a wig installation girl. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I know just as much as y'all do, because y'all obviously must not know either if y'all watching this video. So we in this together, y'all, and I'm just trying my best with what I know works for me. You guys, how's it looking? I wanted to do a bob because I'm like so sick of long hair, y'all. So if it's looking like this right now, y'all can only imagine how it was looking before. Let me put her over here because she's the star of the freaking video. I have a ton of errands to run today, but I'm gonna make this a separate video. This is just me installing the wig and stuff, all that good stuff. And then y'all know I'm gonna hit y'all with a vlog because I love vlogging. If I had to choose the type of videos I do all the time, it would definitely be vlogging videos because it's just so easy to edit and stuff. With these type of videos, I feel like it take more effort, and I'm a effortless girl. Like I don't like to do too much. And I literally have no freaking scissors, you guys, so to cut the lace, so I'm definitely gonna have to do it like the professionals and get my freaking razor. I don't even know if this is like down all the way, like if it's like, I'm supposed to be acting like I know what I'm talking about, y'all, my bad. It's definitely not giving ball cap method. It's giving more so like I don't even know what the heck to say it's giving, because it's definitely not giving ball cap. That's the best it's gonna get for me, okay? Let me give y'all some specs on this wig. This is the bob unit. This is an 8-inch bob unit. It is human hair. I think I paid $56 for this unit. I needed something quick because my freaking, y'all saw in my last vlog, my wig fell off. Like it fell off. So I did have it installed for some time. So I mean, what did I think was gonna happen? What I did was, look at that. Look at that. I tinted that lace. Because if you know me, you know I don't know how to bleach knots. I don't know how to do all of that stuff. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't know how. It's just that I don't feel like it. Okay? So we're gonna try this sucker on. Y'all don't mind the braids coming out in the back. They were so down with my other unit, and then I pulled them apart because I don't know why I did that. And I knew I was installing another wig, but okay. Okay. So right off the bat, I'm not liking it, okay? Because it's giving very much, I don't know. It's giving, it still needs to be plucked. So I'm definitely going to do that. And I think I want to do some baby hairs because I just don't like the look of this right now. It can be parted a lot of different ways, as y'all can see. We're going to see what we can do. Okay. The knots just really needs to be bleached. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna pluck this wig for real, because it's easier to tell what I need to pluck while it's on my head. So I'm gonna pluck this wig and then I will see you guys in the next clip. So guys, I'm starting to realize that bleaching the knots is actually very necessary, especially with a wig like this, because you can still see the black dots even when I'm plucking. So yeah, we're just gonna try to finesse it without bleaching, and we're gonna see how this turn out, because I'm trying to make it where this is good for the girlies who don't know what the heck they're doing, just like myself. Because I've bleached the wig before, but I feel like I over bleached it, and yeah, so we're just gonna see. We're gonna see, y'all. The wig itself is really nice. It's never given stiff. It's given very much Edna. We just got to get this lace together, y'all. So this, if you're interested in buying this wig, just know that it's going to come with a lot of maintenance. Not maintenance even, just like work that you have to do to make it look right. So if you know how to bleach knots and stuff like that, this wig will be beautiful for you. To give Edna, you guys, or Dora, because Edna was a baddie. I'm gonna definitely try to give Edna, because y'all, it's a lot having long hair. When you have a simple bob, short bob that bounce ain't stiff, like, it's just giving money. I feel like bobs give luxury. A lot of people still say the bust down 26, 28 inch, 30 inch is the way to go. And yes, it still is, depending on like the occasion and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do baby hairs. I'm gonna grab my Got2b. Yeah, now let me tell y'all about this Got2b glue. I had this glue for 3 years. So when I go to Walmart today, I want y'all to but y'all can't tell me, but I have to make a note to get some more freaking Got2b glue, because this thing is on its last leg. Like, you cannot say I didn't use all this product. I definitely got my, what, $4 worth. I don't even remember the price of this. That's how long ago I bought this, y'all. And the reason I know I bought this so long ago is because I was looking at all my old YouTube videos, and y'all, I had this same bottle and was still struggling back then to squeeze product out. Like, one thing about it, if you don't wear wigs often, y'all, and you like wear them every once in a while or get them professionally done, this will last you a good 3-4 years. And yeah, and that comes from someone who doesn't really wear wigs, y'all. I wear them, but when I do wear them, I get them professionally done. So I'm barely ever in need of use of Got2b glue. And like I said, y'all, I'm not no wig professional. Please don't be down my back talking about, oh, you should have used this, that, you should have did it like this. No, actually, no, do that, y'all, so that I can freaking learn. But I'm talking about the ones that want to criticize me and say, girl, you don't know what you're doing, da, 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 da. Well, obviously, sweetheart, obviously. I really need to get my toes done. If y'all saw my toes, y'all will unsubscribe from me. And I think I'm going to do that today. It's kind of gloomy out today, but it's still a beautiful day. What I'm gonna do is grab my elastic band, do a quick little spray. All right, you guys, so I got my scissors. Well, my sister's scissors. All right, you guys, so now I'm going in with my wax stick. Honestly, it's a hot mess, y'all, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. This is why, y'all, I stick to going to a professional. I'm gonna put a little foundation in the part. I am back, and when I say I am struggling with this wig, y'all, as y'all can see, I did the little flip up that's in style right now, but this wig is not it for new beginners, y'all, at all. If you're interested in this wig and you're a beginner and you don't know really how to do wigs like myself, I wouldn't recommend this, because your girl is struggling. Now, when I reveal this freaking wig, I don't want y'all laughing at me, okay? Because when I tell y'all, I mean, I was having a time with this wig. So I think the last time I was recording, I was actually doing the middle part. Now I got a side part going on with a freaking flaps and a freaking swoop. Let me show y'all this wig. I messed the swoop up, but this is the style oh my gosh, this is the style I did, you guys. And I just feel like it looks so big. Well, maybe it's the angle that I'm doing it at. Let me show you guys. So this is the style I did. I really don't. I feel like I need like a headband, some type of separator or something like that. I may do this headband some kind of way. What is this giving y'all? All right, you guys, so this is the finished look of the wig. Also trying to debate whether or not, you guys, I want to wear lashes, because I feel like, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to do for today. And I tried to give like a soft look for my makeup, because I don't want to do too much, especially with a wig like this. No ma'am, the wig is enough. But I really think I want to do lashes though. So I'm gonna put these lashes on, and then I'm gonna start heading out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will have all of the details on this wig in the description box below. So, because I know I didn't really explain this unit, so I'll have all of the details in the description box below where you guys can order it if you want to be up for this challenge. If you know what you're doing, this wig is a plus. But if you don't know what the heck you're doing, baby, and you're a beginner like me, I don't know about these for you. I don't know. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Mwah!